One of the big unsolved problems in AI is creating realistic people. Most generators fail when you're trying to make someone the audience can actually connect with, someone who feels familiar, someone whose face they recognize in your videos, someone you can build a personal brand around. The issue is simple. Most AI tools that generate people don't have soul. There's a concept called the Uncanny Valley. It's when a face looks realistic, but it doesn't feel real. And that instantly kills trust. Your audience can feel something's off, and whatever you're creating starts to look fake. After digging for a long time to find the perfect solution, something that could finally help us create the perfect avatar for videos, businesses, or ads, I found it. Soul 2.0 by Higgsfield. With this new model, we're not just generating faces, we're building a complete identity for an avatar, and we can reuse it as many times as we want to create new original content. The aesthetic stays consistent. The face stays consistent. But it doesn't just copy the look, it gives it its own creative direction. This is how you create someone who feels real, because this model doesn't just generate, it brings art direction into the process. Whether it's fashion or art, it has an insanely advanced sense of taste to define it properly. And if you don't want to miss new AI launches like this, subscribe, drop a positive comment, and hit like. Now, let's get into the important part, the Soul 2.0 image model. Because with it, we can create hyper-realistic content. If we go to the image section, you'll see the new Higgsfield Soul 2.0. You can generate images in any aspect ratio and at really high quality. You can also turn on the option that enhances your prompt, which helps you get the best possible results. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'll give you all the prompts I'm using today so you can just copy and paste. You can ask it to create people in different styles and formats, and the results are genuinely insane. This is the first AI I've used that doesn't just understand how to make a realistic face, it understands fashion, aesthetics, and the vibe you're going for. And a perfect companion to Soul is Nano Banana. If you love an image, but there's one detail you don't like, you can use Nano Banana to fix that specific thing without changing everything else. But we don't have to create from scratch. We can also use references. We can upload images of anything we find interesting, so the model can use them as inspiration and generate something based on the vibe, without copying. And it gives you these hyper-realistic results. And pay attention, not only to the face, but to everything around it. The colors, the lighting, the overall mood. Now, what if we want to use the same person over and over? What if we want our own consistent identity? This new avatar that stays us every time. That's where Soul ID comes in. This is where things get serious. We're going to create a personal avatar that keeps not only the same face, but also the same style and soul, no matter what we generate. And it has a bunch of other advantages I'll explain in a second. But first, we need to build it. In this interface, we have to upload a lot of reference photos so the AI understands exactly what our avatar looks like and can replicate it perfectly from now on. But you might be thinking, Malva, where do I get that many photos? Here's the best method I've found. We go back to Soul 2.0, and there are two ways to do this. First option, if you don't have an avatar yet, or you don't want to show your real face, you can use Soul 2.0 the same way we did earlier to create the perfect avatar, either with text prompts or with reference images. Then, once you have the perfect image, we use Nano Banana, upload that image, and ask it to generate different poses and angles, while keeping the exact same appearance and style as the original. Second option, you can do the same thing with your own photos. In my case, I'm going to upload a photo of myself. And again, don't worry. At the end of the video, I'll give you all the prompts so you can just copy and paste. But like you can see, we need a lot of different images. The model itself tells you that if you want it to work well, you should upload more than 20 for strong results. But the more, the better. It can accept up to 80 images, and they should be high quality. Luckily, both Soul 2.0 and Nano Banana already generate in high quality. Once we have them all downloaded, we upload them into the Create New Avatar option and hit Create. You can name it, and once it's ready, we hit Generate. And this is where we can start making truly powerful content. Now that the model has all our references, we can ask it for different images, different outfits, different scenarios, different actions, and it will keep the original look and style without any issues. But it goes further. We can use angles to change the camera framing. We can use InPaint to modify specific parts. We can even change how the light hits the scene, plus a lot more. And once we have the image exactly the way we want, we can hit Animate, which takes us into the animation panel, where we can use top-tier video models. With a prompt, the duration, and the quality settings, we can animate our images in a way that looks genuinely realistic and natural. So the real question is, what can we do with this? And the answer is, a lot. Right now, because of how social media works, having a customizable avatar that you can evolve constantly is one of the best things you can have, either to follow trends or to create your own trends. And why not take it further? Why not use Nano Banana to design our own clothing and make the model for a clothing brand our own character? That way, we can test what products people like the most without spending a fortune on real models and expensive photo shoots. And if what you want is to create photography-style productions, Soul 2.0 also understands art direction across different eras and how to present it in different ways. With the right prompts, you can generate genuinely impressive images. You just need a bit of creativity. And if you still don't know what to make, I recommend exploring the rest of the tools available inside Higgsfield, because there are features like AI Stylist, where you can upload a person and apply different outfits, plus some of the best image and video AIs on the market. And the platform keeps getting updated non-stop, so I'm sure you'll find everything you need in there. Huge thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. I'm leaving the link so you can try it in the description and in the pinned comment. And like I promised at the start, if you want all the prompts I used in today's video, just go to the description, join the Discord. We're almost 40,000 members now. Go to the bot PDF channel and message the bot. When it replies, send it the link to the video you want the PDF for, follow the steps, and you'll get a free PDF with every prompt I use today. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video.